Today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 5 while the auto waits. Comprehension A. Choose the correct option. First, the girl meets the young man. Correct option is B. In a park. Second, the girl tells the young man. Correct option is B. That she belongs to the rich and elite class. Elite matlab superior classes, powerful classes or first class. Then third, the girl further says, correct option is B, she wanted to talk with a real person who is not affected by wealth. Then fourth, the man tells the girl that, correct option is A, he hopes to rise in the world one day. Then fifth, the waitresses, correct option is A, had known the girl for 3 years. Then B, answer the questions briefly. First question, what did the girl sitting in the park look like? Answer, the girl sitting in the park looked like a lady. Second, what did the girl say about the people passing by? Answer, the girl said that the people passing by were fascinating. Fascinating matlab extremely interesting and attractive. They were moving around with their PT, little dreams and their common worries. PT मतलब माइनर मतलब जिन जो ड्रीम बिल्कुल भी इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं होते हैं, जिनका कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है, ऐसे ड्रीम है उनके. Third, what reasons did the girl give for her sitting in the park? Answer, the girl said she was sitting in the park so that she could hear the great common throbbing मतलब beating, heart of humanity. Fourth, how did the girl try to convince the young man that she was from high social class? Answer, the girl tried to convince the young man that her family name was among the most famous and special. She also told the young man that she had lots of money and she was bored of the indulgence of the rich like drives, dinners, balls, suppers and theatre. Fifth, what was the girl's opinion about the high society? Answer, the girl's opinion was that people belonging to high society indulge in whims and are boring. She said that the high society is only interested in new and unusual things and their interests keep changing frequently. 6. What did the man tell the girl about himself? Why did he say he was interested in the wealthy class? Answer, the man told the girl that he was a cashier in the restaurant nearby. The man was fascinated by the wealthy class and wanted to know about their habits and rituals. Question number 7. Why did the girl say she could not marry a person of a lowly station? Lowly station matlab a low social class. Answer, the girl said that she could not marry a person of lowly station because it would become a scandal and it would disappoint her family. She also felt that it would lead to her being cut off from her family fortune. Fortune का meaning है a large amount of money and property. 6. How did the girl react when the man said that he worked at the restaurant nearby? Answer, the girl was confused and wanted to leave when the man said that he worked in the restaurant nearby. 9th, why did the man want to accompany the girl to her car? Why do you think the girl didn't want him to come along with her? Answer, the man wanted to accompany the girl to her car because it was getting dark and he felt that it was not safe for her to walk alone. The girl didn't want him to come along with her because she didn't want him to know that she had been lying to him. Next question. Why was the girl nervous on seeing the waitresses? Answer, the girl was nervous on seeing the waitress because she knew that the man would come to know that she had been lying to him. Then C. Think and answer the questions. First, the girl said at least two things that revealed that she did not come from the high elite class. What were they? The girl uses the word me instead of we to address royalty and tries to cover up by saying strange things. The girl got flustered when the man said that he worked in the restaurant. Flustered matlab confused. Second question. Why do you think the girl kept forgetting for the young man's name? What does it show about her? Answer. The girl keeps forgetting the man's name because she wants to portray that she is royalty. Royalty मतलब क्या होता है? Member from royal family. Also, she has an air of superiority where common people like the young man are inconsequential to her. Inconsequential matlab inconsiderate. Then last question. Do you think the ending came as a surprise? Why not? Yes. Actually, the young man belongs to the rich and elite class.